Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can boost your FPS and increase your performance in Red Dead Redemption 2. And also I will show you how you can fix FPS drops, how you can fix lagging, stuttering and freezing, and all the not fun stuff here. So first of all, I will show you in Windows settings what you need to change, and then we will jump in game settings, and I will show you what you need to do there as well. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what I suggest to do here is to go to settings and always update your operating system. If there is an update, always update and then restart your PC. Second of all, depending on what GPU you're using, I'm using NVIDIA, so there is NVIDIA app. You need to just update your drivers all the time, right? If there is a drivers that is available to update. So I just need to go to drivers on my NVIDIA app, and then I need to wait for a couple of seconds until this window load up. And if there is a driver that I need to download and install it, I can easily do that too, right? So always update your GPU. And next step, what we need to do here, we need to just right click on your desktop if you're using NVIDIA, then go to NVIDIA control panel, and here make sure that change resolution, your native resolution is selected. Also refresh rate is maximum that is available on the scale. Then go to configure surround and 5x, and then make sure that your processor is your GPU here. Then go to manage 3D settings, and then you need to change a few settings here. So the first of all, monitor technology, make sure is G-Sync compatible or fixed refresh. Then go to power management mode and make sure it's prefer maximum performance. Then preferred refresh rate, make sure it's the highest available. Then texture filtering and isotropic sample options, make sure it's on. Then texture filtering quality, super important, make sure it's a high performance. Texture filtering trilinear optimization, make sure it's on with threaded optimization as well. Then make sure a vertical sync is off, and then virtual reality pre-rendered frames is on too, right? And apply the changes, and then we can go with other step. So go to settings, then go to a game bar, make sure game bar is off, then go back on game mode, make sure game mode is on. Next step, what you need to do here, you need to go to settings for services, and then you need to press on the services. Then new window will pop up, press on one of the tasks here, and then press S until you see, as you can see, it should be sysmain. So you just need to right click on it and just stop it, and then right click again and go to properties, and then make sure startup type is disabled, right? And we can proceed after that with other steps. Also, always open up task manager, and if there is a tasks that you don't use while you play the game that is CPU or GPU heavy, always turn them off, and also go to startup apps and always disable apps that boot up on startup, because you can forget it and all the apps will that is enabled will boot up, and it can use a lot of your computer resources. So I like just to disable basically them all, and it's good for me, right? And the next step, what we need to do here, we need to go to Steam, open up Steam, then go to Red Dead Redemption, right click on it, go to properties, install files and browse. On this new window here, we need to look for RDR2, and then you just need to right click on it, just go to show more options, properties, compatibility, and then make sure disable full screen optimizations is selected. Then select change high DPI settings, then select override high DPI scaling behavior, and select application, apply, okay. Then what you need to do here is to copy the path here of the game, and then you can close here, go to graphic settings, also go to advanced graphic settings, and make sure hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is on, and try the game. And if you're still experiencing FPS drops, low FPS, try to disable it and look what is best for you, if it's with on or off, right? For me, I have better GPU, so I'm always turning this on, but for you it may be different. Right, then select add a desktop app, paste the path that you just copied, and then add rd2.exe, and then you need to look on the list here. So let's find that particular game. And once you find it, you just need to click on it, then select the GPU preference and make sure it's selected high performance, and then make sure that optimizations for windowed games is always selected as well, right? And then you can close this window, then just write on search edit power plan, then select power options and make sure it's with ultimate performance. If you cannot see ultimate performance, then select the high performance. You can close this window here. Then you need to look for view advanced system settings, press on it, and then new window should pop up. Here you need to press on advanced, then go to performance settings, then select custom and just leave with save taskbar thumbnails, show thumbnails instead of icons, smooth edges of screen fonts. And then once you select only these three options, go to advanced and then go to virtual memory and press change. And then you need to select the disk where your game is located. For me it's disk E, for you should be it can be disk C. I really don't know. And then you just need to press custom size, and then you need to tweak a few things. So first of all, open up a system information thing here, and you need to look how much RAM you have on your computer. For me, as you can see here, 16 gigabytes of RAM. So what you need to do here is to then open up your calculator, and then you need to put your RAM value. For me, it's 16. For you can be 32, 8, depends on your RAM. Then times 1024. And then the number that you got, you need to duplicate by 1.5, right? And the number that you get here, you need to go on with a initial size. And then again, put the value of your RAM times 1024, and then times 3. And the value that you get here, you need to go to with the maximum amount here. And then apply. Okay, as you can see here, I need to restart my computer. Changes take effect. I will do this later. Next thing, what you need to do here, you need to go to system configuration here, then go to services, then select hide all Microsoft services, and then end all the tasks that you don't use while you play the game. So for example, I don't use SteelSeries because I don't have this mouse anymore. I do not use TeamViewer. I don't use Zoom sharing service. So just end all the tasks that you know and just apply. And then after that, you need to, of course, restart your computer to changes take effect. But nevertheless, it should help as well. Next thing, if you use Discord, go to settings on Discord, then go to advanced, and then make sure hardware acceleration is off. And then next step, what you need to do here, you need to go to storage settings, then you need to go to temporary files, and then delete all the temporary files that you have here, because also your SSD or HDD can run heavy if you do not have a lot of space. So just leave downloads folder and everything here can be deleted as well. Don't worry, just the cache files. It won't affect your any information. And next up, what we need to do here, run the game, open up Task Manager. I'm recording the video, so for me it's more convenient to not run the game and show this option, but you just need to run the game, then minimize it, open up Task Manager, and then look for Red Dead Redemption. So for example, in my case, let it be Steam. Right click on it, go to details, then find the game exe file, right click again, set priority, and make it to high. And then now we can go to in-game settings, and I will show you what you need to do there. Then go to settings in-game, then go to graphics, And then here we need to tweak a few things. First of all, resolution, make sure it's your native one, and then make sure screen type is full screen. I'm recording videos, so for me it's more convenient windowed, but for you it should always be full screen. And then you can also make a refresh rate maximum available for you, right? For me it's to 40, so you can make it to 40 here after you change to full screen. Then make sure VSync is off, NVIDIA Reflex, low latency, enable plus boost, triple buffering, pause game on focus loss. The triple buffering should be on, pause game on focus loss off, constraint mouse pointer is off, and then go with the texture quality medium, and the subtraffic filtering off, lighting quality, global illumination, shadow for shadow, and screen space exclusion, make sure it's low or off, mirror quality medium, water quality low, volumetrics quality low, particle quality low, tessellation quality low, the NVIDIA DLSS performance, sharpening, it's almost in the middle but more on the lower end. And then go to advanced settings and make it to unlocked. Graphics API Vulkan, near volumetric resolution, for volumetric resolution and volumetric lighting quality is low. Unlocked volumetric rematch resolution is up. Particle and soft shadows is on medium. Grass shadows low. Long shadows off. Full resolution screen space is off. Water quality, refraction and reflection quality is low. Water physics quality more on low end. TA sharpening also more on low end. Motion blur, reflection MSAA off. Geometry level of detail, make sure it's full. Grass level of detail, it's 1 tick. 3 quality medium. Parallax occlusion mapping quality low. Decal quality low, fur quality medium, and 3 tessellation is off. And that's basically it. So if I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.